Guys, welcome back to my channel after a really long time, I guess. Today, actually, in a bit of a rush. But where are we going today? Not we, but mother. We are going actually to Guwahati once again for summer vacation and all.
काम कर दे इसको मैगी नहीं देने वाली इसका बहुत दिल निकल रहा है
चलो
Anyways, so we will go down, get the car, and then go to the airport. Wait, let's see. पापा एक बारी डिक्की खोलना. पापा डिक्की खोलना एक बारी.
क्यों?
फिट चेक. 2 मिनट के लिए बस खुला रखो, ठीक है? कहीं रेस्ट करना है फ़ोन का. Somewhere to rest.
चल रहा है तो भी चल. आ जाना एयरपोर्ट से होके आ जाते तो.
That fit check was not like I wanted to do it. Wait. Maybe this. Such a pretty top. Kind of translucent. Literally ignoring my parents right now because they're having a conversation back there. Back. Front. Compulsory leg up. And that, guys, is my fit check. But you know, I might not be able to vlog properly over there because why can I not go? Because we are not going to be. I might not be able to take any phone, so I might not be able to. Can I close this door, mom? Yeah. So I might not be able to vlog properly, but I will try my best to keep vlogging. Desi laddu. So pretty eyes. It's so hot. Oh my. It's so hot in the car. I literally opened my door. Love mom for letting me sit in front because everybody tells her that she should be the one sitting in the front and not me. But I have car sickness and all, so I can't be the one who's sitting behind, or else I will puke because I have puked a lot of times in my car and I don't like that happening at all. So that's why I try to sit in the front whenever possible and not eat or drink too much or something which will literally annihilate me. I'm yapping so much today because I don't talk a lot at home because single child things. I'm excited to go, but yeah. It's so hot in this garden. 8:50. So as I was saying,
मैंने कुछ दिया था तुम लोगों को मैप देख
the papa is seeing the map. He is watching, right, papa? Yeah. Some not mom raging out right before we go, but it's her thing. She gets anxiety and stuff, so I can't blame her for that. So, Dad, how are you?
I'm good.
So right now we're going to Green Park to get mithais, sweet mithais. Because who doesn't like mithais? Right? Right, Dad?
Yep.
Right now, Dad is concentrating on how to the directions from Google, and I'm just talking to y'all. And Mom, I think, is watching the route and very sternly looking at it. Hi, Mom. So I don't know if you can see this or not, but my head is full of dane, according to my parents, and I also do see it. How long is the airport from here? 1 hour? 1 hour away from here, and before that we have to make a pit stop at Green Park. Yes, Green Park. I'm so happy that there's some shade over here because it is so hot. I am sweating, and the AC is closed. I need it directly at my face for some reason because I don't want sweaty face or sweaty palms, which is really annoying. And yeah, that's about it. We have to quickly get to the airport, do the check-in and everything, and then see what gate number we have. cause God, hand cramp. Because sometimes the gate number is actually really far from the check-in area, so that's why last time when we went in October, it wasn't that far. I think for Mama's shadi, it was nearby. It was like just so this is the check-in and this was our gate, but there were also a few moments where this was our check-in and the gate was really far away, which is not enjoyable to keep like just going, walking. It is really annoying, but you have to do it. But that kind of like kills time. Yeah, so but it still kills a bit of time, which makes it more quick for our flight to come. So I usually love taking that, what's it called, it's like an escalator, but it's not an escalator, it just helps us walk fast. So as I was, yeah, so funny story about those escalator type things which are not escalator, they just help you walk fast, is I had gotten lost in it once, which Dad didn't want to go in it. I wanted to go in it. Dad and we were walking side to side. He was not on the escalator thing, I was on it. I was walking on there, running and all. I got lost. I literally got lost and cried so hard for a while. And then this really kind random stranger came. He came, asked like what's your parents' number, if you know. I like cried for 10 to 15 minutes before being noticed by somebody. Then thank goodness I knew my dad's number, but actually it was even on my ticket and the...
Haldiram hai. Oh my goodness.
Where?
Oh my gosh. Bas idhar
Her excitement after she saw Haldirams. So as I was saying, so thank God I learned my dad's number, and also that I think it was even on my ticket and the luggage I was carrying, because for some reason my parents let me carry my own luggages.
Thank you, Karan. You saved me. Can I just pass my
Sorry, I think the dust is getting in my nose. And we found in Haldiram, by the way. Okay. What happened? So as I was saying, so I called my dad. Then Dad found out where I was. Mom was really stressed out, but I got donuts after that, which was, I still remember it. I think I've gotten lost in airports like 2 to 3 times, which I don't know how I'm so smart to just get lost everywhere as a kid, because I have gotten lost a lot of times. To the point where I think my parents literally used to carry me around, like hold me, not let me go, which I think is reasonable, because who would want their child to get lost again and again? That would just sound irresponsible, which no. So that's why I was like held from that time onwards. You know, story time, I think that was a really boring story, because I just wasted I think 5 to 6 minutes on that. I've never been here, I think, because a few restaurants I knew like when we were coming. I don't know the area, I guess, but I guess we should explore new areas. Espresso playing in the background. But we can't take copyright damages. No. There's one there. Hi, Mom. There's Mama. Dad sent me in to get you. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. She got done just when I entered. So that means my visit was not necessary. But these boxes are so cute. These that they've really designed. But I cannot show you anymore because we're already moving out. So, yeah. Mom, what did we get?
Nothing. It's a secret.
Mom saying it's a secret and she's not gonna tell us what she got. Wait, Wait, 1 second. Let me get my seatbelt on, guys. There we go.
एक बंदा आया
Guys, it is
यहीं से
currently
यूटर्न ले लूँ
getting
ना या यहाँ से ही बाहर बाहर ही चल जाए
यहाँ से बाहर निकलो,
बाहर
यहाँ
चलो.
यू टर्न तो बहुत लंबा पड़ेगा.
Yes. As I was saying, कि we are getting late and it is getting trafficy because I think office छुट्टी होने लग गई है because it is almost 5:30 and 5 to 7 तक I think office खत्म होने की टाइम रहती है, right dad?
राइट
So yeah, अभी हमें थोड़ी देर में बहुत ट्रैफिक मिलेगी. No, I'm just trying to find a right angle in which it doesn't feel like there's too much light or there's less light.
हाउ डू यू नो अबाउट द गुड एंगल एंड लाइटिंग
He's
हैव
the
यू
reason.
सीन माय वीडियोस फॉर लाइटिंग सो गाइस Meher and me and also make a video for lighting and photography. If you want to learn, join our channel and join us also.
Yes, please do that. Right now we're seeing clear roads with a bit of running traffic. Wait, let me show you. It aims. You just अच्छा हाँ सफदरजंग era. You said we crossed.
This opposite
Our right side is
Ames
Ames,
and
left
Safdarjung.
side is a Safdarjung Hospital.
Yes. And these are, I think, government quarters, if I'm correct.
Yes.
Yeah. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, actually. Studies, Sciences, I forgot. I did not.
if you want to become a
Doctor. Any field of doctor. Doesn't,
even a psychologist,
yeah.
one of the top premier institute. It's very difficult to get an admission, just like in
Terminal 3.
Yes, sir. Terminal. So right now we're gonna be going to the cargo terminal. Then from the cargo terminal we're just gonna keep going forward, get to terminal 3 so that we'll be able to reach to the airport. We are going through an underpass. If it would have been night time, it would have been so much good. Welcome to Indira Gandhi International Airport, also known as IG Airport. Woo! Can you hear us? I don't think that would have echoed because I don't think my window is down enough. But चलो होता है. I believe I can fly. I don't know why that song just came up to my mind, but it just did. I think this is the cargo area of T1, T2 and T3. Like this whole area is the cargo area, as you can see. This all is for cargo. I think we're gonna be giving our suitcase for cargo and we'll be taking the bags with us because the suitcase is actually really heavy. But it's not that heavy. Yay! Terminal 2 to 3. 2 and 3, not 2 to 3. It's 2 and 3. 2 to 3 sounds very weird. There used to be a hearth over here, na? I think AI plus kuch something like that. And एक Air Force का भी जहाज होता था ना? There we go. There is the AI hearth and human hearth. Yeah. AI plus human. Hyundai. Cargo. I don't know why I pointed that out. But as I was saying, Namaste from Hyundai. Please cars, please scooters. Yeah, see? And then here are all the ads which on the billboards. And there's the, I think, tower, but we have not reached, almost reached the airport. What's this building tall ये called? मैं भूल गई क्या बोलते हैं इसको. Command center ना? So I guess this is the command center from where they see the planes and all and see which plane is which, from where it's coming and all, and gives them permission to land. Right now my pinky finger is hurting so much because the whole phone is resting on it. But that doesn't matter. कौन सा? ओ हाँ, ये रहा जहाज. जहाज reminds me of your short film जहाज. कौन सा आपको इस प्लेन का मॉडल पता है कौन सा है पापा?
जेट है, देखा
फाइटर
होगा यहाँ पे, एक मिनट रुको, अभी बता दूँ.
M23BN MiG 23
मिग बोलते हैं,
MiG 23BN कुछ. Authorized vehicles.
Finally, Terminal 3.
Yes,
Finally.
sir. I think this is the car parking area, but we will not. Oh my God, plane! I missed it. And never mind. New plane from here. We can record that. I think that's taking off, है ना? हाँ, take off कर रहा है वो. The one which was here was landing. This one is taking off. I don't know if you can see it, but it's that dot over there. Yeah, this is the plane. Anyways, Terminal 3 right over here. Usually this is the time where our flights are taking off, but right now our flight is scheduled for the night time, so that is why. Pivot यहाँ पे नहीं जाएंगे हम private car lane में. So guys,
जल्दी कर मेरा टाइम में, वी ओनली हैव 8 minutes.
मेरा बैग इधर दी.
So Karan, thanks. Finally we have reached and here is Miral, here is Karan helping out. So we are leaving. So thank you. इधर रुको.
चलो बाय.
Wow.
Happy.
Look at that.